Hello, everybody. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. So far, we have built the foundation. We understand Agentic AI, the runtime tools. Now we move into something deeper memory. Because without memory, there is no intelligence, only repetition. Let's begin with a simple question. What happens if an agent forget everything after every step? It starts from zero. Every time. No context, no learning, no continuity. That is not an intelligent system. That is a stateless machine. At system based labs, we define memory as the system's ability to retain, recall, and use context over time. Now, not all memory is the same. There are three fundamental types: short term memory, long term memory, and knowledge graphs. Let's break this down. First, short term memory. This is the working memory of the system. It includes current conversation, recent outputs, and execution state. This is what the agent uses right now to make decisions. It is fast, context rich, but temporary. Think of it like human working memory. You use it, but you don't store everything forever. Second, long term memory. This is persistent. It stores past interactions, learned patterns, and historical data. This allows the system to improve over time. Without long term memory, every session is isolated. With it, the system becomes adaptive. It remembers preferences, it learns from outcomes, it evolves. Third, knowledge graphs. This is where things get powerful. A knowledge graph is not just storage, it is structured understanding. It connects entities, relationships, and meaning. For example, customers, transactions, products, and behaviors. Instead of just retrieving data, the system understands relationships. This enables deeper reasoning, not just what happened, but why it happened. Now let's address a critical concept: retrieval versus reasoning. This is one of the most misunderstood trade offs in AI systems. Retrieval means fetching information, reasoning means thinking through a problem step by step. Here is the mistake many systems make: they rely too much on one and ignore the other. If you rely only on retrieval, you get fast answers but shallow intelligence. Only reasoning, you get deeper thinking but sometimes disconnected from reality. At system based labs, we combine both. The system retrieves relevant context, then reasons on top of it. This is how you get accuracy, relevance, and depth together. Now let's connect this back to the runtime. The orchestrator, planner, and action agents use memory to guide decisions and strategies. This creates a loop: observe, store, retrieve, reason, improve. This is how systems learn. Let's make this real. Imagine a customer support agent. Without memory, every interaction is new. With it, it remembers history and understands relationships. The system not only answers, it understands, it predicts, it improves. Now, here's the truth: most AI systems today have very weak memory design. But real intelligence requires structured memory because memory is not storage. Memory is context, and context is everything. Models generate, agents act, tools execute, but memory is what makes the system intelligent over time. If you get memory right, you don't just build smart systems, you build systems that learn. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. We will see you in the next video: scaling agentic AI systems from ideas to infrastructure, from experiments to execution, reliability, performance, control. Build systems that scale with observability, orchestration, and production discipline, from design to deployment. Good luck and goodbye.